So I will describe a character, and this character will be part of everyone's life, whether it's your office, whether it's your family, or whether it is every place, wherever it is, this character will be part of everyone's life, whoever watches this video. Now, few years back, I could remember when I was working, there was one guy, and obviously I don't want to say his name. Maybe he is watching this video, right? So what he used to do is, in front of me, he used to say good things. Umar, you are number one, you are replying to emails even after midnight. That is okay, this is okay, you are great, you are going to get promoted, you are going to get good increment, bonus, blah, blah, blah. And behind me, what he used to say is, he used to say bad things about me. That guy is not good. His department is very worst now. It used to be a revenue center. Now it is a cost center. So he used to talk every possible bad things about me behind me. So you know what is this called? This is called backstabbing, right? In every place there is a backstabber, whether it is your office, whether it is your family, or even in your business. Now, why am I saying this? Because in the markets also there are backstabbers, and the name of that backstabbers are FIIs, foreign institutional investors, right? These buggers, I don't know how to describe these buggers. From 2:45 till 3:30, they did only one thing: keep on selling. From market 17,400, it came all the way to 17,200 in just 45 minutes. That is between 2:45, exactly between 2:45 to around 3:30 till the market closed. This is perfect backstabbing by FIIs, and that is evident in the report itself. Today alone they have sold for more than 3,960 crores, and we know this. We have been like every day they have been selling for last 3 or 4 days. They have been selling for around, on an average, 3,000 plus crores, and this is not new. But what we cannot digest is that when they sell, they are selling at once. Maybe they will have a meeting, all FIIs will have a meeting together and decide, okay, we are going to sell at 2 p.m. today afternoon, or we are going to sell around 3 p.m. and they are selling continuously, all uniquely, right? Can you see this one? Everybody at the same time. Why? If they should have all the FIIs have to sell at different times, right? Retailer, if retailers do like this, what is going to happen, right? Anyway, these guys are in a very good, are having determination that they are not going to take the market on the upside. But at the same time, DIIs also and retailers are also in a very strong determination. We are not going to let the market down. So in between, who is stuck? We people, we retailers are stuck in between this FIIs and DIIs, and we are suffering. So all day long, DIIs and retailers or some other pro traders took the market on the upside. Today they FIIs have bought it down. And what do you think is going to happen tomorrow? Maybe there is going to be a gap up. The main reason for this price action, today's price action, was because of Reliance and Adani. If you see, Reliance is down by more than 2.5%, I think. I think. And even Adani Port, I think tomorrow it's going to come out with a result. And Adani Port is down by more than 3.5%. Both has the high weightage in Nifty 50 index. And if you see this price action, what we experienced in Nifty was not, we cannot see that in Bank Nifty. Actually, Bank Nifty was performing. If you see the Bank Nifty chart, Bank Nifty never broke today's open, which is around 34,175 or 200 levels. But if you see Nifty has broken today's open, which was around 16,250, and in fact it is below 16,200. Now what was very interesting is that all these days when US market was deeply in the red, and yesterday was very much surprising. I was seeing the US markets till late night yesterday. In spite of Dow going down by 700 or 800 points, day before that also, last week also, it was down by more than 1000 points also, we were not falling. So I had the conclusion, okay, markets, in spite of US market, in spite of mother market falling so much, we are not falling, means we might be consolidating. So that's what I told yesterday, okay, we might be consolidating for a few days. Now also I am saying markets within this expiry, we have another 3 more trading session. Markets may trade between 16,000 to 16,500. So that is my range for this week. So overall picture is bearish only. So if you see from the top, eagle's eye perspective, they say, right? If you see from the top, markets are still bearish only. But till this weekend, till before the expiry of this week, we can see markets range bound between 16 to 16,500. So that's what I believe. Now, as I told you, Bank Nifty was performing, HDFC Bank was performing today, HDFC was performing, and other banking bank was performing. Nifty was slightly down because as I told you, it broke today's open, which was around 16,250. That is mainly because of Reliance and Adani Port. Otherwise, Nifty would have performed really good. Anyway, what we can do about this, right? And today morning, what I saw was very, very, very much interesting. I was seeing there was aggressive call rating at 16,200. Super aggressive call rating at 16,200. But when the market went to 16,400, I was really surprised, and I was thinking, how could these people take the market, or how could FIIs allow the market to go beyond? I thought, okay, maybe seeing at the US market, okay, maybe tomorrow Nifty is going to go to 16,500. But as I thought maybe 2 o'clock or after 2 o'clock they will, around 2 o'clock they will start selling. But to my surprise, they started selling at 245. Continuous fall like Kutralam. You know Kutralam, there is a place in Tamil Nadu, all falls. Maybe 5 or 6 falls are there. So I could remember Kutralam this time when I saw this fall. So this is how markets are behaving, highly volatile and highly fluctuating. And I know it is very hard for retail traders like us to trade in this kind of markets. But what we can do, there is no other way. We have to live with this, right? So as of now, we are still holding non-directional trades. Our members also holding non-directional trades. I hope tomorrow, as I talk to you, US futures are significantly high. Around, I think Dow future is more than around 240 points. S&P VIX has slightly come down, and even Nasdaq is also in the green. So when all these things are in the green, and even today Europe market was in the green, so when all these things are showing positive signs, maybe the fall is very much limited. Today's price action was because of stock specific like Adani Port and Reliance. Otherwise, maybe we would have gone to 16,500. Anyway, whatever happened is for good only, and I don't think the fall is going to continue, or even though if you see it in a candlestick perspective, 2 days of so yesterday was a doji pattern and today was a shooting star or inverted hammer. I am not familiar with this candlesticks. So 2 days of indecisiveness is being happening in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Hopefully, if 16,200 is sustained, maybe we will inch up towards 16,400. So for the last 2 days, yesterday also and today also, market tried to touch 16,500 and it decisively failed. So hopefully at least tomorrow, if you are having global positive global cues, we may touch 16,500 tomorrow. Let us see how bulls and bears are fighting tomorrow. So tomorrow is going to be very much interesting, right? So I also hope you also had good trades today. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.